This is Umair Hassan. Hope you are all well. Let us solve a question from one of the past papers of May, June 2023. And it's paper 2. A cuboid has dimensions x centimeter and 5 minus x centimeter and 15 centimeter. Show that the equation for the volume of the cuboid, which is represented by y, is this. As we know that the volume of the cuboid, which is represented by y, is basically length multiplied by width multiplied by height of the cuboid. So from here, the length of the cuboid, if you consider it 15, dot mean multiply. Width of cuboid is 5 minus x, dot mean multiply. And height is x. So when you will multiply all of them, you will get 15 bracket 5 into x is 5x minus x into x is x square. Upon further expansion, 15 into 5 is 75x minus 15 into x square is 15x square. And this was required. Part B of the same question. Complete the table for the values for y is equal to 75x minus 15x square. You have to complete this part of the graph, which is value of y. Against this value of y, you have to substitute x equal to 2.5 in this equation. So substituting x equal to 2.5 in this and this place, what we will get in place of x, substitute 2.5. Again, in place of x, substitute 2.5. What you will get 7.5 times 2.5 minus 15 times 2.5 square. You will get, it's minus 75. I need to confirm. Please give me a moment. 2.5 square into 15. So let me do this over here. Minus 93.75 and 75 times 2.5 is 187.5. Subtracting these two, 187.5 minus 93.75, you will get 93.7. Now you have to draw the graph of y is equal to 75x minus 15x square, and this is the values of x for which you have to draw the graph from x equal to 1 to x equal to 4. Upon this graph, we have to plot values of y and values of x. Now, if you see the first point, the coordinates are x equal to 1, y is equal to 60. So you have to plot it. Now we have to divide this graph because x for the first pair of points, our x value is 1. So we have to see that 1 will fall at which point. This is obviously, this is the value of 1 they have given. This is 1.5. This is 2, 2.5 and 3. So 1 on x-axis and 60 on y-axis. This is our first point on the graph. Then 1.5 and 78.75. Value of x is 1.5 and y is 78.75. This is 70. This is 80. So let us see how many deviants are there between 70 and 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each deviant is basically equal to 2. This is 72, 74, 76, 78. And 78.75 will fall somewhere over here. This is our second point, where x is 1.5, y is 78.75. The third point is x is 2 and y is 90. Here you have got x equal to 2. Now move vertically on this line where we get y equal to 90. So this is the point. The fourth point is x is 3 and y is 90. X is 3 right over here and y 90. If you see, this is 3, y is 90. We have missed this one, x equal to 2.5, y equal to 93.7. X equal to 2.5, y equal to 93.7. So this is 90. This is 90, this is 92, as we have discussed that each deviant is equal to 2. This is 92, this is 94, so 93.7 will fall somewhere over here. Over here. Now when x is 3.5, this is 78.75, and we have marked 78.75 earlier as well. This was 78.75, and x is 3.5 over here, it will come. This is x 3.5 and y 78.75. And the last one will be x4 and y 60. So this is y 60 and x equal to 4 on x-axis and y equal to 60 on y-axis. You just need to join all these points using a smooth curve. So this will be your graph. It should pass through all the points. Let me draw it again. Okay. The next part of this question says that we have a pyramid. The diagram shows a pyramid with a square base. This is a square base. If this is 9, then this is 9 as well. The pyramid has a height x. This height of pyramid is x and volume y. Show that the equation for the volume of pyramid is y is equal to 27x. As we know that the volume of pyramid is 1 by 3 base area into height. Volume of pyramid is 1 by 3 base area into height. So volume is represented by y. So volume, which is y, is equal to 1 by 3 base area. Base area is 9 times 9 because the base is a square whose dimensions are 9 by 9. So 9 into 9 is the area of this base, and height of this pyramid is x. So our answer will be 3 and 9 will be cancelled. 9 into 3, 27x. As they have asked us to show that. In the last part, they're saying that by drawing a suitable straight line on the grid on page 2, find the height of the pyramid when the pyramid and the cuboid have the same volume. This is the volume of pyramid. Y is equal to 27x. Let us write over here. We have to find the height of pyramid, this one. And we have to find the volume, height of pyramid by equating these two things. No? If you see this volume of cuboid, y is equal to 75x minus 15x square, this value and the volume of this pyramid, they both are equal according to the given condition in the question. So let us plot this line y is equal to 27x, which represents volume of pyramid on page number 2 on this grid. We have to draw y is equal to 27x, where x will be equal to 1 to 4. So when x is 1, y is 27. When x is 2, y is 27 into 2, which is 54. When x is 3, y will be equal to 81. So because we plotted the graph, this graph represents the cuboid. This is the graph representing the variation of the volume of cuboid from here, from this equation. Y is equal to 75x minus 15x square. This y is the volume of cuboid, and we have plotted this graph using value of x from 1 to 4. Similarly, we will draw the line for the volume of pyramid. This is the equation for volume of pyramid, and we will plot this line using the values of x from 1 to 4. When x is 1, we can calculate value of y. When x is 2, we can calculate value of y. So let us draw this line. When x is 1, y is 27. So where it will be? This is 22, 24, 26, 28, 27. Over here. Similarly, when x is 2, y is 54. When x is 2, y is 54. This is 50, 52, 54. This is 50, 52, 54. Because this is a linear equation, the graph will be a straight line for the volume of pyramid. Let us draw the straight line by joining these 2 points. Just extend this line so that it will intersect the graph drawn for the cuboid. Now, where these 2 lines intersect, this will be the value or the answer you are looking for, and that is equal to the x coordinate for that one is this is 3, this is 3.5, this is 3.1, this is 3.2, this is 3.3, this is 3.4. Every 2 interval is equal to 0.1, so 3.2. So using x equal to 3.2, we can find the volume of this pyramid. 27 into 3.2. So you can find the volume 3.2 multiplied by 27. That is equal to 86.4. Because they have referred us that by drawing a suitable line on the grid on page 2, find the height of the pyramid. And height of pyramid is represented by x. So height is 3.2 centimeters. So this is the solution for this question. Let us see if we have any other part left. No, this is the complete solution of question number 1 of this paper. So I will continue from this part in my next video. Thank you so much. Keep watching.